Introducing this 12-piece premium utensil set from Love's. So what do you get? 11 BPA free food grade silicone utensils with a barrel to keep everything neat and tidy. Non-scratch, stain and odour resistant, dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Trust me, I've been using these for a week and it's true. The handles are premium beechwood, fungal and mold resistant. If you prefer to hang them, you can do. The handles come with hang-on hooks for a nice display. I've been using these utensils for a week and they are amazing. They get the job done. Great quality and beautiful to look at. Available on Amazon, links below if you're interested. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Happy 2022. Happy New Year. I hope you had an amazing Christmas, spend time with your family, drink, all that good stuff. I did. I had an amazing time. Pretty quiet. But let's hope 2022 is a good one. For the love of God, please be a good year for everybody. And I wish that on all of you. So we're going to cook today. We're going to do an amazing simple meal. Little technique, but it is delicious. Poached salmon with a rosemary cream sauce, spinach, roasted veg. It's going to be a good one. Is it healthy? No, but it's delicious. So I'm going to crack on and I'm going to show you how to make it. So first, one medium shallot, finely diced. A little bit of garlic. Just want to roughly dice it. Shallots, garlic done. Next, rosemary. Smells amazing. You've got to rub them to release maximum flavour. Get them oils out. And salmon and rosemary are a classic combo. They're amazing. I like to have baked salmon with rosemary on a salad, and you'd be surprised at how delicious that is. So we're gonna pull this rosemary off for the sauce, and we're gonna chop it. We're gonna finely chop it. So just give that a fine chop. There's a lot of rosemary here, but I really want to get that rosemary flavour into the sauce. Right, for the sauce, olive oil, low heat. So now add your garlic, your onion, or your shallots, and you just want these on a low heat. You don't want to burn them. Cook them low and slow until nice and soft. Add your rosemary, get all that in. So next, I want like a little bit of body to this sauce, so I'm going to add a little bit of flour, cornstarch, straight in, and then cook that out for 2 minutes. Right, next, add your white wine. And your stock. Right now, stir well. Smelling really good. Right, the hard part's done for the sauce. So what we're going to do now is going to reduce it. And what that means is the flavors are going to intensify. The liquid's going to go down and down and down. The more down it goes, the more flavoursome it gets. And at the end, we're going to add some cream, some Parmesan. It's going to be amazing. My sauce is reduced by half, so I'm going to add some spinach. Don't worry, this will wilt down. Right, medium heat, and cook down this spinach until it's wilted. It's not going to take long. Right, next, add your heavy cream. Give that a stir. Right, cream's in, and again, we're going to reduce it. It's very important, use heavy cream. Double cream. Don't use single cream because it's going to split. Heavy cream doesn't split. It's got a high fat content. It's not going to curdle. It's going to be great. So don't be afraid and don't use it. I'll just use single cream. It's going to split. Very important. Heavy cream. So that's reduced, and look how creamy that is. Look at that. Amazing. Right, next, at the end, some Parmesan cheese. Ooh, yes. Just give that a stir. Look at that. Trust me, that sauce is going to taste amazing. So season to taste and put it to one side. If you love creamy sauces, you're going to love that. So my veg are in, and I like a combination of salmon and parsnips. They go really well together. A little bit of lemon, a little bit of onion. So what I did was I peeled my parsnips, chopped them in half, chopped the onions in half, sliced the lemons, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and bunged them in the oven. And they're going to be amazing with the salmon. So what we're going to do now is we're going to poach. We're going to poach our fish. And it's just scraps really what I've got laying about. I've got an onion, some shallots, some sprig of rosemary, some green onion, and some stock. There's some technique in poaching, especially fish, low and slow, gentle. A lot of people get it wrong by overboiling the protein. Just a slight bubble. If you see a bubble, just a small bubble, you're good to go. And just low and slow, be patient. And it's going to be nice and moist and flaky and beautiful. That's what you want. So first, add your stock. So next, add your lemon, your shallot, your onion, some sprigs of rosemary. So bring the stock to a boil, and what that does, that'll wake up the stock, flavour the stock, put it on a low heat, and add your salmon. And if you notice, it's not on a rapid boil, there's hardly any boiling going on, there's just a slight bubble, and that's what you want. And that's a secret to poaching. Really, really low, so low it's unbelievable. And then cover it, and then cook it. And I promise you, it's gonna be moist, it's gonna be flaky, it's gonna be beautiful. If you overboil it, it's just gonna dry out, it's gonna be horrible. I think it's time to tuck in. Oh, yeah. Parsnip. It's a nice, simple, delicious dish with a little bit of technique. I do think it was a good idea to poach the salmon, pairing it with that heavy cream sauce. Gives it some lightness. I love the simple roasted veg. I love the combination between the parsnips and the salmon, really goes well together. I love the rosemary cream sauce, that brings it all together. The roasted lemon, that flavoured the vegetables, and yeah, it's a very simple dish, and I want you to give it a go. So Happy New Year, I hope you like this one, give it a try. Thanks guys.